Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Could a wedding proposal be on the horizon for Iykeresa? If ever there has been a moment where we were on the edge of our seats, it was last night. Well, because it felt like we were just about to witness the biggest moment of the show yet. It all began with the smitten Iyke organized a sweet and romantic dinner for his babe Theresa in the outside garden. The starlit affair came complete with bottle service and a waiter thanks to Bolanle and Arnold. But that was only just the beginning, as things appeared to be moving towards the next big step for the couple. A clearly giddy Iyke poured his heart out to Theresa and spoke nothing but love for the woman who has truly changed his life. The entire moment had not just us but the whole continent on the edge of their seats, as we all waited to see if this would be the moment. And as things came to an abrupt end as the love guests were called in to partake in the karaoke night, but something tells us this is not just the last we have seen of this moment. Do you think we'll witness a proposal before the season is over? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.